Hi guys, I'm Tina. Today I will introduce the diffuser for LED aluminum channels in this video. In order to satisfy with more customer needs, we offer more than 100 types of aluminum channels with different cross sections and different diffusers. The aluminum channels can protect the LED strip and make the surface cleanable. Different designs of diffusers give the light different look and lumen output. So let's see what kind of diffusers they are. This is the transparent PC cover, and the transmission rate is around 95%. We can clearly see that the LED strip inside the profile. When we turn on the light, we can see the light spot, but the brightness has almost no loss. So these diffusers are used in places where we cannot see the LED light directly. This is the diffuser's PC cover. The transmission rate is around 85%. You can see the LED strip is almost covered. So let's turn on the light and see the light performance. It can help to reduce the light spot. This one is our Opal PC cover. The transmission rate is around 65%. It's decorated as we don't see the profile and the LED strip is not visible. When we light on, it can minimize the light spot and diffuse the light evenly. And this one is the black PC cover. It's around 35% transmission rate, just like the Opal PC cover. It's decorated as the LED strip is not visible. Let's see the light performance together. As the transmission rate is low, you may need the brightest LED strip to increase the brightness. Well, the last one is lens PC cover. It is an optical lens design of transparent diffuser. It can narrow the beam angles of 120 degrees of the LED strip to smaller beam angles. By adjusting the position of the LED strip, we can achieve different beam angles. So let's light up to see the light performance. As you can see, we have 4 beam angles here. This is 15 degrees beam angles, this one is 30 degrees beam angles, and this one is 45 degrees beam angle, and the last one is 60 degrees beam angles. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching. Please follow our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.